So here you can see that I have an image. Let's resize this right here. So if you want to do things to image like crop or mask out the image according to how you like, or add in filters and adjust out the pictures, then once you click on the image of your choice, on the right hand side you get those options. So for example, here the first option that you see under the image right here is crop. On top of that, you can also click on change image and then choose an image you like to change out the image over here as well. But we're not going to change the image, so I'm just going to press Ctrl Z on my keyboard to revert back. So let me just go around, click on this image right here, and to crop it out, you can click on the crop option right here. And what happens is that you get these crop areas, as you can see. You can click and drag this out to crop out the image as per your liking. Click outside and this is what you have. You can resize this out according to how you like as well. You can click on crop right here, and what you can do is you can click and drag around the crop area. You can resize this out and click outside over here as well. So the image is not actually, the image portions are not actually being deleted at all, but only it is being hidden. So you can always get back by clicking on the crop right here. You can go around onto mask, and in the mask you can see that there's various mask patterns that you can apply to the image as well. Let's say for example, if I were to click on heart, you can see that now there is a heart crop area right here. So if I were to click right here, like adjust this out, adjust this heart out over here, click outside, then you can see the image is arranged out in heart right here. If I were to click on mask, then what you can also do is you can search out for different masks. Let's say for example, if I were to type in something like circle right here, you can see circular masks appear just like this. So the one with the lock are not free to use. So the one without them are free to use. So let me just click on this, and over here you can see a pattern like mask right here, which you can click and drag and then arrange, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can also apply out mask as per your wish. So over here, let me just go around into mask right here, and then just select out, let's say this one, a regular one, that is simple, a mask right here, and click outside, and this is what you have. Another thing that you can also do is you can click on filter and adjust and choose around the filter that you want to apply to the image, and it is applied. You can increase and decrease the intensity of the effect that you want to apply as well. So let's say you apply this. This is what you have, as you can see right here. You can also go to adjust right here and then blur out the image, as you can see right here. You can make an adjustment. You can increase and decrease the brightness of the image right here. Let me just decrease the blur, increase the brightness. You can increase the contrast to increase the difference between black and white. And you can also go around and add in a value according to how you like it. You can work around with the saturation, increase and decrease the saturation, and change the hue of the image as well. You can also work around with vignetting so that the edges are darker, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with the image crop. And then if you were to click on like reset to default, everything, as you can see, gets reset to default. You can click on reset to default right here. Everything gets reset, as you can see right here as well. So that is how you can work around with cropping and masking and filter and adjust options for an image inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.